building the doorway with this, but what I'm going to do, instead of cutting out where the door goes, I'm just going to lay a full floor plate, and then when I put the studs in for the jamb and the door surround, then I'll cut out the part of the plate that I don't need, or else it's going to be twisting and turning if I've got a little piece of support here and then 2/3 of a wall the other side. Look at that. Hey, that's close enough for me. Hey, Bella, you come down and give me a hand?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a good lad.
I'm sorry. I didn't hear you working. Oh, yeah.
Just revised that. My apprentice has turned up. There you go. And I was just thinking what a help you are, because when I'm picking up stuff, it's much easier if you're helping me. Thongs, or are you going to wear proper work boots?
I'm going to wear my thongs.
You're going to wear your thongs, all right. You heard it here, folks, right? Responsible adult, wear boots. Teenager, I'll wear thongs. It's a great lesson in personal responsibility, and I feel it's my duty to impart such knowledge. All right. Alright. Now the thing you've got to remember, when you're putting a door in, you have to allow for the door jamb, you have to allow for the hinges, and you have to allow for an expansion gap. Or else you're going to have to laying your door down and do all sorts of horrible things.
Okay.
Right. So, if the door's 720,
Yeah.
the jamb's 20, so that's 40. Allow 8 for your hinges and 5 for expansion. That'll do.
Okay.
3, carry 1. That's 7. Oh, I don't care. We'll go 775. 775 is the width we want for the door. You want to hammer me? No, you don't. Well, you could have if you wanted to. Because when you're hammering them in, you want to make sure they come through. Now, what I'm going to do is you've got to have yours down on the ground and I'm going to pick mine up. Alright? Let it go down. Bring it onto the platform. There you go. Okay. There we go. Look at that, eh? High five. There you go. Okay, let's kick that in. three in there. Yeah, just push it down. Pull it down. There you go. Yeah, you got them all, and you did better than me.
Sorry.
Hey, have you noticed that? I don't know if you saw that. He's using a nail gun holding his safety glasses. Yeah, well that works. Yeah, dear. Yes. Look at that. And we've got to cut that floor plate out. We've got to put a headboard in. Put a head plate up here. You know what the height of a door is?
No.
2040.
2040.
2040. Remember that number.
2040.
So, but I'm going to put flooring in here, which is 10 mil, and also I've got to allow a gap at the bottom, which is 20 mil, and I've got to use safety hinges, 20 mil, 30 mil. What did I say? 10 mil, 20 mil, 30 mil, 50 mil. I think we're going to have to leave 60 mil. So we've got 20. How about the blackboard? 2040 plus 50 mil. What's that?
2050.
There you go. Have another go.
No, 2090.
Yeah, spot on, Ollie. Spot on. And in fact, that is that close. So I'm not going to need a cripple stud up there.
Really?
No.
What's a cripple stud?
I think we might just jump out. We'll put a double header in there. That'll do it. A cripple stud, where you've got a doorway like this, so it was a doorway, then you put a header plate in there, and then this can bow or that can bow, so you put an extra stud, which is a stud, in the middle is a short one. Cripple studs, I don't know what else they call them. There's another name for them, but I'll call them cripple studs. Okay. Alright, so we'll put a double header plate in there.
Okay, well, dinner.
Which is, I don't know what's for dinner, 78. Okay, let's go. This one. Right over that.
Yeah.
And we just cut this out.
Okay.
Sometimes only hand saws will do. And it's a lovely Lee Nielsen one. Tell you what, you don't get that nice edge and clean cut using a jigsaw. Hand saws, learn how to master the hand saw. And I'll be doing video very, very soon on how to sharpen a hand saw, because I think this one is sharpening again. All right. Well, there you are. One toilet ready to get a toilet put in. And it was done. Come on, come on. It was done with my able apprentice grandson. Thank you, darling. Appreciate that. Did you learn something?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. That's good. Next thing is, I'm not sure. I'm going to check with the plumber, but I want to line it. But I want to see if he wants to get his pipes in first. So the next thing is I want to put flooring down. So I'm not sure when that'll be. Might be this week, might be next week. But as far as building stud walls go, that was the project. It's been achieved, it's been accomplished, and we've got a sturdy little construction. And it didn't take that long. I looked at all the tapes when I was editing the videos, and I worked out there was about 4.5 to 5 hours worth of filming, and I filmed the entire process. So, well, I'll give you an idea how the bloopers are, won't it? So yeah, 4.5, 5 hours, that's it. Couple of tools, nothing flash, get someone to help you, big strong lad, and away you go. So anyway, this is Steve pulling the toilet door down. I haven't got a door yet, but we will. And so remember to keep it sharp, but more importantly, I was going to say keep it fresh, but I've got toilets on my mind. Keep it safe. Look after yourself, be kind to each other, and I look forward to having you back in the workshop, at the workbench, very, very soon. I don't think there was any bloopers in this one, but if you like bloopers, sign up as a member of Woodworking Masterclass YouTube channel, and you get to see all the bloopers that I do while I'm filming the other videos. All right, that's it. I'll catch you later. Bye for now.